So looking at a resistance band standing row, some row variations, you're going to need something like a door anchor to either attach your resistance bands into a door frame, or something like a chin-up bar to tie them to a chin-up bar, or a pole or something like that that you could attach these to behind you. But with a row variation, or a couple row variations, you're going to take your band. If you're going to do a double arm row, you're going to take your bands, right, one in each arm. Get that nice shoulder width stance, knees bent a little bit, chest up, and you're just going to get a nice strong pull with the band straight back, squeezing your shoulder blades and back. Squeeze the shoulder blades, back. Squeeze the shoulder blades and back. Nice and smooth, not too fast, not letting it pull you forward, just keeping your knees a little bit bent, nice balance, and squeezing back with each rep, okay? And you could also, if you want to get a bit of a better grip, you could run your hands through the loops and grab on that way, and that'll give you a bit more of a grip on those bands as you're pulling. Then you could also get into alternating rows, right, from standing, either one arm at a time, pull one arm at a time, alternating, same idea, right? Or you could just get into a single arm row where you're just pulling one arm at a time, doing all your reps on that one side, and then switching and getting all the reps on the other side. But regardless, those are some row variations with a resistance band.